Here's my updated hair oiling routine that I swear by. Trigger warning, things may get a little ugly. Brush your hair. Next, grab a lice picker. Yep, we are going there. Oh my god. I just gently push the brush against my scalp. All the flakes are coming off. This is disgusting. I know, I'm so sorry. Moving on to the good stuff. Hair oil. I love to apply my hair oil warm. It helps your oil to better penetrate into your follicles. I used to be bald here because of tight hairstyles, so this is all because of hair oiling. Look at this baby hair. So yeah, we're growing slowly but surely. To the mids and ends of my hair, instead of applying hair oil, I'm gonna apply a hair mask. You can also apply a conditioner. It makes your hair softer, shinier, less frizzy, and helps to prevent split ends. And now we wrap. We marinate and we reflect on our life choices. This looks so good on me. And finally, we wait for at least 3 hours. And that is it, my loves. Do this and your hair will thank you, I promise. Here's my updated.
I wanna something that make the sick, but I like that vibe.